What's up, YouTube family? Welcome back, welcome back, welcome
So,
back.
um, every year my niece and I come to the craft room and we declutter and I go through things and decide if I'm going to keep it, give it away, toss it, trash it. And so when I do that, I come across items that I've either made or bought and put away and didn't realize that I hadn't used it. So I decided today to go ahead and give you guys a special treat and put together this 12 by 12 layout. Okay, what I found in my stash was this sticker sheet. It is by American Crafts. It's called Summertime. I got it at Tuesday morning because of the sticker. I can tell it was from Tuesday morning. And this one is American Crafts as well. Amy Tan, the Lucky. A roller stamp from Amy Tangerine. Some gold washi. All these scraps. Oh, this is another special video coming to you, the cork embellishments. Some pieces that I cut out. This photo is what I'm scrapping of my family and I from, oh, there's a glare on that, from my family and I from the Grand Canyon. This paper and bring it back, doily. And this is what sparked the whole inspiration. This was a 12 by 12 piece of paper that was in my stash in the scrap bin, and I had put this on here already. So this was already on there. And I was like, let's make a layout with it. So that's what we're going to do today. I'm going to go ahead and put you guys on fast forward and see how all this comes together.
All right, guys, here we go. So, the first thing I'm going to do is get this doily stuck down. And this is, like I said, this video is it's going to be a part of a series. I'm going to try to do videos like this at least once a week, maybe twice, depending on how much time I have. Where I dig through my stash. I think a lot of people say bash your stash or something like that. But I'm going to call my series Bring It Back. Because well, I know for me, a lot of the stuff that I put away in my scrap bin, or like I only have a couple of pieces left, I don't really always reach for those pieces. So why not bring them back? So that's the name of my series. Bring it back, bring it back, bring it back. So I got the dolly stuck down. That piece that's there, that long rectangle, is was a scrap from the scrap bin. I knew it went with the piece that's behind the triangle, one of the triangles that's there in the corner. All of these little banner pieces that I have cut out, pendant pieces, were also scrap pieces. And I just thought they would make really good with the colors that are on that polka dot, which is what sparked the inspiration of the whole layout. I chose the photo because the colors, that pink and kind of bluish tone, I thought they would all go really well together in this layout. The photo is of me and my husband and my son when we took a trip to the Grand Canyon um, in Arizona for spring break. So it was so much fun, and it was one of the photos that my son was actually smiling and looking at the camera. So, yeah, I like that photo. So here, you saw me stick the banner pieces also to the right-hand side to kind of give you some interest and bring your eye toward the right of the page. I'm going to put down the left of the page that pink heart, that cork piece that says fun, I can't see what else it says, fun party I think it says. But it was just a piece of cork that was in my stash. And I used a stamp. It's Ali Edwards stamp, and I just stamped onto the cork. That piece there, the geotag, I used. And now here's another cork piece. I just used my We Are Memory Keepers tab punch and punched out a tab because I was like that I needed some more cork to be able to put the rule of 3. So I have that cork square there, the cork tab, and then the title. It's going to be Love Us, and it's in a brown tone. I mean a brown hue. So I figured it could, mimic the color of the cork. And that's going to be my 3. my rule of 3, which I like. This camera, I wanted to use it, but I didn't know exactly where I wanted to use it. It's gonna go somewhere on my layout. Yeah. Oh, here we go with the washi tape. So I knew that the top of the page between the rectangle and the doily, it looked like it was just floating there. So I thought if I put the washi there, it would kind of bring it in and make it be cohesive. And also adding another piece down to the bottom to allow my title to sit on. I'm just going to cut that there a little bit to make it not be as long. I'm going to get my title stuck down. Oh, no, first I'm going to put this little strip here. Because the bottom of the layout seemed so sparse, like nothing was there. So I put that piece there, and I'm going to open this stickers and find a little pink heart to sit right in the middle of that, and I thought that was so cute. And underneath is where I'm going to stamp out my date. That sun plus shine I thought was really cute and went with the color scheme of this layout. So I'm going to use that right above my photo just to bring extra interest and, again, do rule of 3. So I have the banner that's that aqua color, the sun plus shine, and then the little piece over here to the right. So it's like a visual triangle. Here we go with me sticking down my title. Love Us. So cute. I really like how this layout came together. If you haven't been to the Grand Canyon, you should visit. I absolutely loved it there. The views were amazing. I wish we would have had more time, and the little one was a little older so that he could actually enjoy it without running the whole canyon. So here we go with this camera. I'm putting it up here to the top, and I popped it up on foam adhesive and putting it right here next to this sun plus shine. And then that's going to be it for all of the embellishments. Oh, no, it's not. I'm going to grab a pink tiny word sticker, tiny phrase sticker from Bella Boulevard. It's out of my stash, and I don't remember what it said. I put it down, but then I thought it was too high. I pull it up, and I'm going to have to put it more adhesive on it. So I'm using this roller stamp to stamp out dates so that I can fill it in. And then I'm going to put my journaling here at the bottom, like right underneath that banner to the left. Yeah. And I thought it was too high and I needed adhesive on it. And so there, that looks a little better. Okay guys, I'm going to pull over my ruler and my pencil and draw out my lines here for my journaling. I like doing this because I like my journaling for the most part to be straight. And when I write, I tend to kind of write crooked. So I like having the lines there as a guideline for me to know where to put my letters, my words. And then once I've written it on pencil, I like to always go back and underline in my marker so that the words, if they have something hanging down, have a line under them. And that's going to...
Alright guys, this is how it came together. I think I like it. This paper is used out of my stash, and it's cute to me. Okay, this is it. Keep watching the channel. I'll be doing more of these bring it back surprise layouts by grabbing things from my stash that I forgot were in there. So bring it back, bring it back. That's going to be it for today, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And till the next time, I will see you later. Bye-bye.